should I say good morning. It is very early right now. Hence, you know. A lot of people have been like, girl, what's up with the wigs? Like, you ain't been doing wigs in a while. You know, I'm loving your content. But, can I get some more wig suggestions? I got you. I be listening. To y'all. I want y'all to know that and believe it. I got a wig option for you today. But before I give you all the deets and treats to what I did, let me give it up for the subscriber of the day. Bam. Girl, you the bomb. All right. And as always, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Let me give you a few seconds to hit it. All right, now this wig is from Alipearl, okay? Alipearl has really good reviews. As always, check out the other reviews. Check out what everybody else is saying about this company. You don't have to just take my word for it, even though my word is like super legit. So on the back of the box, they have how to care for the unit and maintenance. So if you're new to wigs and you don't really know what you should do to keep it pristine, bam. Let me just show you what comes in the box. The edge brush, brush on one end, comb on the other. You get wet cap. I love these. This is for when you are laying and slaying that wig and you need that melt to be right and tight. Bam. You need to, bam. They give you a little tie down, a wrap. Very nice, because you're gonna need it. I mean, if you're trying to slay. They also give you an elastic band if you want to make your install glueless, or if you just want a nice snug fit. If you're new to my channel, let me just explain. I don't use elastic bands because I don't do anything tight or heavy on my head because it can trigger migraines. I'm not, if you've had migraines, you know that, for what? I'm not finna purposely make myself get marked. So I don't do anything tight or heavy on my head, okay? You also get a baggie. So nice, so nice. Bam, where you can put your wig. Take care of your wigs, okay? Especially when you're buying wigs of nice quality, you want to keep them. What you paying for if you're not going, we're trying to keep them things as long as we can. These cute. Can you see those? They cute. They cute. You get some really cute gifts with your wig. Now, for this wig, 26 inches, 180% density, cap size small. Now, that's my domology. I know my head is a little on the small side. Not my forehead, but the rest of my head somehow is. This is cute. Okay, so I have a highlighted, ooh. It's really soft. Okay. I love it. Look at the ends. The ends are really pretty. I like this. I have to be ignorant. I have to. This is 26 inches. Highlighted. Like, come on. I must. Looks like the hairline has been pre-plucked a little bit, you guys. Not as much as I would like. So I am going to be plucking more just because if you want a seamless look and it does not come like all the way plucked, you just got to pluck. You got to pluck, okay? Very nice construction. The cap, strong cap. It has a comb in the back, 2 combs on the side, kind of like the mid side. It has an adjustable strap so you can adjust it to the size of your head for a good fit. I'm definitely going to be tinting this lace. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you. Okay, hold on.
Living for weekends, wishing I could take a break from this world. Running on a hamster wheel, but searching for something I can't feel. I just wanna be a lost girl and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate above the ground and make eye contact with clouds. Now I'm rising, I'm soaring. might lose my spark. Living in this crazy time, putting back the pieces of my mind. I know how to run from the dark and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate into the clouds. I'm so high above the ground. I'm rising. I'm soaring above it. It all. I just wanna be free. Finally, I wanna be free. I wanna be free. I wanna be free. Higher to a bird. You, I'm rising. I'm soaring above it. It all. I just wanna be free. I wanna be free. I wanna be free. I wanna be free. Higher to a bird. You, I'm rising. I'm soaring above it. It all. I just wanna be free. I wanna be free. I wanna be free.
All right, Alipearl. Okay, I see where you at with it. Yeah, I see where you at with it. Y'all, okay, so I'm feeling this wig, okay? I just did the side part. I decided to keep it simple. That's what y'all expect from my channel, so I wanted to really make it easy. I didn't over pluck the hairline. Maybe about 15 minutes, just, you know, just did a little pluck. Take a little bit of the weight off the hairline. So I did that. I just went through it a few passes with my hot comb, and I did like a upside down flip because the way that this hair flows, it's so flowy, and that's gonna give it a really nice natural, you know, wind in your hair light type of effect. So that's why I did that, you guys. This is not full lace. It is a frontal, which is much cheaper than full lace, so that's wonderful. If you're kind of teeter-tottering into full lace, you could start here. But yeah, y'all have any questions, let me know. And in the meantime, I wish you all peace, love, and light.